what are you excited about in terms of whether it's Talisman or like the wallet coming out? Any alpha to share about what you're seeing and what's exciting for you guys?
Specific to Talisman and the Polkadot ecosystem, I'm really excited about XCM v3. We've had XCM around for a while. Parachains have more or less settled down after crowd loans and the initial onboarding period. And now we can start to see some of the liquidity flow between parachains. But these are really simple interactions, right? There's like a teleport, there's a reserve asset transfer. That's about all you can do on XCM until now, because very soon, hopefully XCM v3 will be merged. Kind of hopefully opens the floodgates a little bit with the kind of actions we can see between chains in the Polkadot ecosystem. So that's something that I'm really excited about for Talisman, because it unlocks a lot of use cases that we can kind of jump on and say, this is overly complex for the user at the moment. What work can we do as a wallet to make this easier and apply the Talisman product rigor to this kind of set of use cases in the same way that we've done for something like staking. And generally for wallets, I mean, we were thinking about this when we started Talisman, and it's still kind of an undercurrent that we need to spend more time on. But it's just the fact that if you really look at MetaMask in like 2017, 2018, and then the wallets today, not much has changed. You're still setting up a seed phrase, writing it down on a bit of paper, and then for each transaction, it's like you're approving a transaction from this app, yes or no. You don't really have much information regarding what's in it. And this is all I think is ripe for change. I mean, we can do some really cool stuff with transaction simulation and make that user experience a lot more kind of verifiable and comprehensive. And for setting up your key pairs, there's now like a host of multi-party computation, social recovery, multi-sig kind of patterns that I think a lot of wallets can jump on to make that a little bit easier, because we're still stuck in 2018 with a lot of that stuff.